Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a back button on Android. If you're using any Android and now you want to add back buttons, so let's see how can you do that. You can see there is no any back buttons, so now I'm going to add some back buttons here. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone settings, and here you must have to look for navigation bar or system navigation. So it's difficult to find that. Just have to go for search, and here the search for navigation. Just search for that and you will get navigation bar or system navigation. Just tap on it, and here just open the settings, and here you must have to select navigation buttons just like that, and you will get navigation buttons on your screen. So that's how you can easily add a back button on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.